we design everything custom. Right here I've got my refrigerator freezer, so you can access it from outside and inside. Got a toilet on board, got hot and cold running water on this end as well as out the back. The pump we designed to be very, very quiet. So all of our drawers are high quality oak and soft close as well. The bed and mattress, it's always a queen. So our table design, you can actually sit right here and eat. You can come over here and have a seat and a seat. This chair will swivel as well, so you can turn around and have that. But it's also designed to be able to come out and be used anywhere. All of our vans have air conditioning on board. So the garage is especially fun. We like to have a lot of space in here, plenty of room to put the things that you want to put. There's easy access to your electrical system, easy access to your 25-gallon tank right here. This is your shower. You can put a shower curtain right across these two. I would highly recommend that it be not a clear shower curtain. That doesn't work as well. We design our vans to be completely off-grid. There's 200 watts of solar on the roof. We also charge with the engine of the vehicle. Why shouldn't your van be custom made? Why shouldn't your van be the best quality, something that you can be proud of?